Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing the iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. So before we get started, there's a small surprise for you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Apple launches 3 iPhones this year: iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I'm sure you guys have already seen unboxing of these iPhones, but I'm so excited because I just got mine. Looking at the front of the box, you can see the color of the iPhone that you picked it, and the iPhone written on the both sides of the box. If you look at the back, you can see this is a 64 gigs variant, and the specification of the phone is mentioned here. On the bottom you can see iPhone 11 Pro Max, midnight green, 64 gigabytes. So let's unbox this phone. Opening up the box, you will find the iPhone 11 Pro Max itself on the top. This looks so good. Wow. Let's keep this phone aside and let's see what else we get in the box. And in this section we get some paperwork, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool and Apple stickers. So this is the first time that Apple shipping the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max with a 18 watts charger included in the box, which is so amazing. And here's the lightning earpods, as well as a USB Type-C to lightning cable. Now let's move on to the iPhone. Let's peel this plastic off. And you might also notice that there's no plastic on the back, just on the front. And Apple said that this is the strongest glass on any smartphone. The phone feels solid in the hands. Let's boot this phone up. Until I set up this iPhone, let me just give you a quick physical overview of this iPhone. On the right side there's a power and Siri button along with a SIM tray. On the left there's a mute switch and volume rockers. On the bottom there's microphone, charging port and speaker grill. On the back you will see the new triple camera setup, telephoto lens, wide and ultra wide angle lens. And also the Apple logo is now at the center of the iPhone. On the front we have a stereo speaker, Face ID, earpiece and front facing camera. Talking about the display, it has a 6.5 inches Super Retina XDR display, and as this is a OLED display it matches the deep blacks. And also this is a HDR display, the display is brighter and vivid. It has a 2688 by 1242 pixel resolution with 458 pixel per inch. And talking about its chip, it has a latest A13 Bionic chip 3rd generation neural engine. The brightness goes up to 800 nits maximum brightness and 1200 nits for HDR content. Talking about the bezels, nothing really has changed, they are the same as the last year iPhones. This year the iPhone comes with a faster Face ID with greater angle to unlock the phone quickly. So I'm gonna add my Face ID. The Face ID is one of the fastest and secure way to unlock the phone. One glance and it's unlocked. This is so fast, it unlocks the phone as soon as I look at the phone. We still have the same notch, so nothing has changed. Apple removed the 3D touch technology, so instead of hard press, you just tap and hold to see the app actions. Swipe down from the top right corner to see control center. Swipe down from the top left corner to see the notifications. Swipe up from the bottom to go home. Swipe up and hold to see recent apps. Press and hold the power button to wake Siri. To turn off the iPhone, you will need to press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time. Press the volume up and power button to take a screenshot. This is the new midnight green color, and there's 3 more colors: space gray, silver and gold color. This iPhone 11 Pro Max is still IP68 water resistance, but with a maximum depth of 4 meters up to 30 minutes. Talking about the camera, it has a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with an aperture of f2.0, a 12 megapixel wide camera with an aperture of f1.8. and the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with an aperture of f2.4. This is the wide camera, this is the telephoto lens, and this is the ultra wide angle lens. The photos are really good, it takes photos with good details and contrast. This year Apple also removed the iPhone branding from the back. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This iPhone supports wireless charging, and talking about the battery, it now lasts up to 5 hours longer than the iPhone XS Max, which is amazing. And also it can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes with a 18 watt charger. I'm giving away this iPhone 11 Pro Max to one of you guys. To participate, all you have to do is like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what's the best thing you like about this iPhone 11 Pro Max. And when this video gets 25,000 likes, I will randomly pick the winner and announce the winner on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.